Ever wondered how powerful your sneeze really is? Brace yourself, because a single sneeze can blast out of your nose at up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars on the freeway. And it doesn't stop there. A sneeze can launch over 100,000 tiny droplets into the air, spreading up to 26 feet away. That means if you're in a room with someone sneezing, you're basically in the splash zone. Sneezing is your body's explosive way of clearing irritants from your nose. But who knew it came with turbo speed? So next time you sneeze, just know you're launching a biological missile. For more insane facts like this, hit that subscribe button and stay weird with quick weirds.